What's up everybody, you know who it is, it's Unbox Everything, and today we have something really special to unbox. We have a 35mm F1.4 Samyang lens and I can't wait to unbox this thing. Let's just jump right in. So it was actually my wife who bought this lens, it wasn't me. She's been wanting to get a wider, faster lens. When I say faster, I mean a wider aperture lens for a while now, and we decided to get a 35 f1.4. It seemed that f1.4 had a nice, really open aperture, which obviously, if you guys know your photography, if you don't, what that means is you can separate your subject from your background a lot better, so you'll have a nice blurry background basically in your videos or even in your photos. So let's just jump right to it. We're just going to unbox this straight away, and yeah, let's see what we have. This might be a very short unboxing, but maybe just to talk you through what I'm doing, maybe I'll just flip this way as well. So we got this little phone box. I mean, to be honest, lenses usually just come with fairly minimal packaging. I mean, there's not much really else to them. So you get a little pouch carry case, as you can see, which is really nice actually. So I'll put this off on the side, and then you just get the lens itself. And that's kind of, let me just put this on the side. Don't need that. I think that's just the warranty. So yeah, I'm actually just going to put this away on the side and just going to talk about the lens a little bit. So we don't need this. And this is the lens itself. And first feeling is, again, it's got a nice, like, weighty feel to it. Piece of plastic, don't need that. Oh, this is already falling off. But yeah, it feels really nice and sturdy. It's made of metal, which is obviously nice. Is it metal? Yeah, I think it's metal. You get kind of the standard kind of setup. You get lens cap, and then you get the lens hood as well. There you go. So obviously you can just attach it that way, and you can just kind of leave it on if you want. You can leave it on like that. It's a fixed focal length lens. It's an f1.4. Yeah, it's a fixed focal length. It's at 35mm. I've used one of these lenses before for Canon in the Red Ring series, 35 f1.4, and I gotta say it was probably one of the best lenses I've used. I used it on a product shoot, and just the bokeh that you get with it is just so nice and creamy. It's just very just tasty, you know. The focal length itself, it's 35, so it's not too wide. It's not too close as well. I mean, if you need to zoom in, you just have to, zoom in with your feet, as they say. I'm actually shooting on an equivalent of 35 right now on the Sony A7III. So that's kind of roughly the same focal length that you'd get with this lens, but the depth of field that you'd get is probably a lot better. So the background that you're seeing now would probably be a lot more blurrier and nicer. There would be a nice separation of subject, basically. What I might do is swap these lenses around just to kind of give you an idea of what it actually looks like. At the moment, I am shooting on a 24-105 f4 Sony G Master lens. Again, another incredible lens. I love that lens to bits. It's such a versatile lens. But I think maybe just, for something a bit different and just something a bit more tasty looking, with that, again, separation, the nice blurry background effect that you get with this f1.4. It's just something different, and again, the 24-105, the maximum aperture or the fastest aperture I can go to is only f4. So this is f1.4. So that's a whole lot of stops that it can go down, and the difference will hopefully be quite noticeable. I'm going to quickly pause the video and going to come right back and show you guys just hopefully the difference that it actually makes. So let's go. So I am back, and as you can see, I don't know if you can tell any difference. I've kind of had to play around with some of the settings. The focal distance obviously is roughly the same, but hopefully the depth of field is a little bit different now. I feel like this kind of area here roughly should be quite blurry, or should be a little bit blurrier than it was before. And maybe some of the background might be also a little bit blurrier. I'm not too sure. that's pretty much it. There's not really much else to it. I mean, again, this is the lens that was on the camera before. I love this lens. I actually think I might continue shooting with it, obviously until I get an ND filter for that lens. That's kind of it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe if you guys enjoyed this video. It's been Unbox Everything, and good day, good night, and stay safe. Take care. Peace.